Hey everybody, welcome to Fab Daddy TV. I am your host Fab Daddy. As you can see, it's a very beautiful day here in central Indiana. In my last video, I showed you the power plant that's going into Buford, my 84 square body dually. And I told you in that video that I would show you the transmission that I was using this week. I thought about maybe stretching it out and teasing you guys for a little bit for a week or two, but I talked to my father-in-law over the weekend and he's chomping at the bit to see what it's going to be. So I think I'll go ahead and show you. So here we go. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. That is a 2003 Allison 5-speed automatic transmission. I went with the Allison because it can handle more weight, a little stronger, a little beefier. I was looking at doing a 4L80. Problem with 4L80 is it's only a 4-speed. This is a 5-speed. Oh yeah, and even got a drive shaft. It's bent, can't use it, but hey, at least it's got the ends on it that I need, and maybe even the center section with carrier bearing. But anyway, as you can see, it's got some age on it, and as you can also see, it's made a huge mess in my truck, which that's okay. So I'm going to give a huge shout out to Jeremy up there in Benton County for hooking me up with it. I'll put it to good use. One thing I will show you that I kind of meant to show you guys on another video, I forgot to put something across here to keep the torque converter coming out. So the torque converter has come out part way. I meant to put something on there when I picked it up, and I totally spaced it, and I drove, a couple hours with it in the bed of my truck. So now I got to make sure that torque converter is in there all the way. But so now you know what's going on. To get this transmission to fit into the truck is going to take some fabrication. I'll show you here what I'm talking about. We'll get into Buford. What I'm gonna have to do is, obviously gonna have to get this stuff out of the way. To get it to fit under the floor, I'm gonna have to pull all the carpet back, which the carpet was gonna get replaced eventually. But I have to pull the carpet back, get in here. I'm hoping this transmission tunnel is a bolt-in, because then I can unbolt it and I can take a four-wheel drive transmission tunnel, bolt-in transmission tunnel, and bolt it back in its place, because it sits up higher. So there's enough room under here for the transmission to fit. Otherwise, if this isn't a bolt-in tunnel in here, I'm gonna have to do some cutting, some fabrication to get it put in. So I'm really hoping that it's just a bolt-in tunnel. I'll know more hopefully this week. So to get to that, I'm gonna have to pull this front seat out, pull this carpet back, see what I have. But that's the big announcement for this week. We're gonna be running an Allison transmission. It's still a great sound. Of course, you gotta slam it more than once. So that's the plan. Stick around. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you want to leave a comment, or if you want to hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon to follow along. So see you guys later.